So in this first example here, you've been told that you have 0.05 grams of magnesium and you've added it to 25 centimetres cubed of hydrochloric acid with a concentration of 1.0 moles per litre. You've then been asked to show by calculation which one is in excess. So to start, we need to work out how many moles we have for the two substances mentioned. So I'm going to start with magnesium. And I'm going to use N equals M over GFM to work that out. So the mass, I've got in the question 0.05. And the GFM, I just need to look up the mass of magnesium in my data booklet, 24.3 grams. Once I've put that in my calculator, I get an answer of 0.002 moles for the magnesium. The other substance that was mentioned was the hydrochloric acid, so I'll work out the moles of that next. So for this one, I'm going to use a different formula, so we're going to use N equals C times V. Again, should be a formula that you're pretty comfortable with. Concentration we were given in the question, 1.0 moles per litre, and volume, 25 centimetres cubed. For this, moles per litre, that means volume has to be in litres. So 25 centimetres cubed can't just go in as is, we need to change it to litres first. Okay, so once I put that in my calculator, I end up with 0.025 moles for the hydrochloric acid. The next thing that I need to do is I need to take into account the ratio between the two substances from the balanced equation. So, ratio for magnesium to hydrochloric acid, looking at the balanced equation, I can tell is 1 to 2. So remember, you're looking for any balancing numbers at the front of the formula. So 1 to 2. Now I'm just going to take the moles of magnesium I've worked out and use that with my ratio, and that'll allow me to work out which one is in excess. So if I say that we've got 0.002 moles of magnesium, how many moles of hydrochloric acid will I need to react with that? So my ratio is 1 to 2, but I've actually got 0.002, which means I would need 0.004 moles of hydrochloric acid. So that's how much I need. But here I worked out that actually I have 0.025. Okay, so that's my actual. This number is much higher than this number, so that tells me that the hydrochloric acid is in excess. And I could work out that actually it's in excess by 0.021 moles. So I've got 0.021 moles more hydrochloric acid than I actually need for that experiment.